Step into the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, power door locks, power steering, power windows, steering wheel controls, traction control, chrome wheels and privacy glass. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.